Okay, it's another beautiful day in paradise, and today we're going to talk about pre-fast. There's a couple of things you need to do before you start a fast, and one of the things to do is to get psyched up. I mean, you're about to put yourself into starvation for about 7 days, and to do that, you got to be ready to do it. You got to commit to it. It's got to be something you're going to say, okay, I'm going to do this. It's going to be easy. I can accomplish this. I can watch August's videos on this channel and follow along. And scheduling as well. You got to clear your plate. You have to select a time where there isn't appointments and things you have to do and things you have to take care of. You have to set this aside like a vacation thing. It's really a health vacation for your body. One of the things you might do is take a little activated charcoal before you start, which will absorb toxins in the gut and kind of get rid of it. Do that a couple of days before you go into a fast. A lot of people have coffee withdrawals, so you might want to stop the coffee and tea for the caffeine problem before you go into it. And that'll help you groove through that burning out of all your glycogen, because when that sugar goes down and you're not really expecting the coffee thing, you won't have a coffee headache and that sort of stuff. You might want to take some electrolyte minerals before you start. Do a little preloading with magnesium, potassium, sodium, the baking soda drink idea, and just get yourself some minerals in there. Take a multi-mineral complex, vitamin, something, just to get some stuff in you, because it'll help your cells get things in and out while you're during the fast. And you can also eat fruit, like watermelon, guava, mango, sweet fruits that can give you some minerals and potassium and some of the other stuff. And essentially just get used to the idea that, okay, I'm going to do a fast, and it's not going to be that hard. I've seen these other guys do it on August's channel, and the Phoenix Protocol is the way to understand it. I wrote the book on fasting, literally. So if you don't have the book, get the book and learn about your body. It's great to know how to do a fast correctly. It's also great to know how to go into a fast correctly. And the other thing is how to get out of a fast correctly, because getting out of the fast is actually more critical than going in, because for the most part, you can just stop eating. You really can. It's about that easy. I suggest a little preloading of electrolytes just on, for safety concerns, but you don't need to. And but at the end of the fast, you need to. You need to reload your electrolytes and take all these minerals back in. That's the important phase. But as far as pre-fasting, there's your talk. I mean, get ready to do a fast, schedule it, and commit to it, because it's good for you.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.